Welcome to Myfitnesspal Explained Easy Tutorials. I'm Amy, a certified nutrition and accountability coach who uses the Myfitnesspal app for both personal use and with my clients on a daily basis. I often get asked on how to guide my clients to better use this app. Here in this course, I will be guiding you through a variety of tutorials and teaching you the ins and outs of using the Myfitnesspal app to track your food, exercise, and more. This course is broken up into 6 different videos, each with its own learning topic. At the end of each tutorial, you will have a task to complete in order to help you use what you just learned. Regardless of your goals, whether it be weight loss, weight gain, or just eating healthier, you will find value in this course to help you be more aware of the food you put in your body. Now let's get started.